Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. So for today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be opening some of my P.O. Box mail. There are 7 letters that I'm going to be opening today, and then 1 package, which I'll open up first. I have been responding lately to a bunch of my fan mail that you guys send me. I just want to recognize these people that have sent some, and I'm really excited. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually open this package, and this is from a company called SUNFLARE jewelry. I really like this packaging. They sent a little paper and it says, "Caroline, we hope you like it and we know you will look beautiful in it. Make sure to tag us and let your followers know that they can use the code CARO10 to receive 10% off their purchase at SUNFLARE jewelry. Make sure to use the code CARO10 for 10% off your purchase." I'm so excited to see this. I'm actually gonna put it on. This is so pretty. Also, I'm pretty sure they make it like all handmade, which is really cool. Okay, this is so cute. I'm literally wearing this for the rest of the video. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love this. I'm literally gonna wear this to school all the time. Thank you, SUNFLARE jewelry. Love y'all. Now onto opening some letters. The first letter I'm going to open today is from Layla Russell. She is from Washington. Also, y'all literally send the cutest packaging. So the paper looks like this. My name is Layla and I'm 12 and a half years old. I live in Linwood, Washington, and I'm a huge fan. I've been a fan since the 10-year-old makeup transformation video. You're so talented at everything you do. I wish I could meet you someday. You're so funny and kind, and you're such an inspiration. I hope you know you'll go far someday. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to read my letter. Sincerely, Layla Russell. I literally love this so much. The 10-year-old makeup transformation was so long ago. Like, I don't even remember when I posted that. I think it was at like the beginning of 2018. But that is so crazy, and I love you so much, Layla. Also, by the way, I keep all of these notes and the envelopes, 1, to write back to you guys, and 2, I have like a journal filled with all of my fan letters. So, next one does not have a name on it, but packaging is really cute, and it has this. My dog is barking. I like feel so bad ripping this because it's so pretty. Oh, it's already open. Oh my gosh, that's me. What the heck? This is so good. I'm putting this up in my journal. It also comes with a card, so let's see this. Dear Caroline, my name is Maddie. I love watching your videos and I have a fan account for you on Instagram at caros.sunshine. I literally know that account. I stalk all of them all the time. I know who you are, girl. You inspire me so much. Your videos help me stay positive. I hope one day I can meet you. Maddie. I want to meet you guys so much. Like, I wish I could meet everybody. My dogs. I wish I could meet all of y'all. Like, maybe one day. Next one is from Peyton Ferguson. She lives in Oregon. Pretty cool. And then the back says written with love. That is so sweet. Okay. Dear Caro, first off, let me just say I love you so much. Right now, I'm going through a lot. I have been battling through depression for about 2 months. In these months, I have matured so much and have grown so much. I feel like I am finally starting to come out on the other side. Even though I have had anxiety, I don't know how to spell, lol. Your videos are my way to escape it, even if it's just for 10 minutes. You honestly mean the world to me. I wish we could be friends in real life. You seem like such a kind and genuine person, which sometimes is hard to come by. Anyways, on another note, I've been working... Oh, just kidding. I have been making videos my whole life and just started a YouTube channel. My parents never let me have one before. You don't have to subscribe, but if you want, I would freak out. It's so weird to me how I can open up so easily to you even though I've never met you. I would love to meet you in person. If I did, I would cry. You have no idea how much you have changed my life for the better. I genuinely love you. I'm literally crying, like no joke crying. Wow, I sound like a freak. I hope I didn't lay it on too strong. Your voice is amazing, and Caroline, you are not pretty but beautiful. I feel like beautiful means so much more than pretty. I don't know, at least I hope you think so too. Just know I'm thinking of you, and when I'm depressed, I think of you. I hope you write me back, and hopefully I hear from you soon. I don't know how long it will take for you to get this, or if you will get it or not, but if you will reply, I'm counting down the days until you do. God bless you always. Y'all are so sweet. Like, oh my gosh. Next letter is from Auntie Liu, and she is from San Francisco, California. I actually go to San Francisco every other year, or like we make it out there because all of my family lives in Northern California. I love San Francisco so much. I do want to go to LA though. I've never been. Everybody's handwriting is so nice. What the heck? Dear Caroline, hi, I believe I found your YouTube channel this summer and just watched every video. I love watching your videos because you're just this amazing girl. You're one of my favorite YouTubers ever. Please never stop making videos. I love your voice, songs, hair, feed on Instagram, and basically everything. Sometimes I wish I had your life and I was you, so I hope that's not weird or crazy. You're super pretty, like you really don't need makeup. Thank you. I've DM'd you on Instagram before, but no answer, and that's fine. Someday I would love to meet you and possibly hang out with you. So I need some advice. I really have been wanting to get into singing, vlogging, and photography for a while, but since I'm Chinese, my parents don't really want me doing any of that. So what do you think I should do? Please write back. I would really appreciate it. I love you so much. I'm pretty positive you're not open to internet friends, so if I get a letter back from you, that would just make me so happy. Thank you. I want to say sorry about my handwriting, but I hope you had a great Christmas and a very happy New Year. Okay, your handwriting is great. Literally, this is literally so neat. Neater than what I could do. Sincerely, Annie, 9th grader. Same. P.S. I would love to someday read a book about your life. That would be so crazy. My advice, if you want to start photography or vlogging or whatnot, is obviously like respect your parents and see what they allow you and what not to do. But what I did is, for example, like my parents never would let us get dogs when we were younger. Like my sister and I, we were never allowed to have dogs. But then Catherine, which is my sister, she put together like this huge slideshow of reasons why we want dogs and like all this stuff. And it was actually really convincing. And also, like, just tell them that it's something that you're passionate about and that you really might want to pursue. So I think if you just sit down one-on-one with them and talk to them about it, then you never know. Thank you, Annie. Next, we have one from Savannah Bross. Her handwriting is literally amazing, too. She is from LA. That is crazy. I want to go to LA so bad. This is literally so neat. Dear Caroline, hey girl, hey. Right off the bat, I'm cringy, haha. It is good to have a YouTuber that is my age and understands stuff. You are good friends with Bella, and I watch her too because I used to dance with her last year. Wait, what? I'm so shook. I love Bella. You inspire me. You are very pretty, and you also have a beautiful voice. I would love to be one of your friends and maybe meet you one day. But that might not ever happen because my mom is a single mom taking care of 4 big grown kids. Oh my gosh. Okay, kudos to your mom. Like, that is awesome. So we don't have much money. Maybe one day I'll do meet and greet in your area and we can just hang out. I hope we can communicate in the future. I made 2 YouTube videos, but I don't think they'll get anything. My YouTube channel is Savannah B-R-O-S-E. I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. You are amazing and thanks for making me happy every day. Love this girl already. You're so sweet. 2 more letters. So this one is from Ava Peterson and she's from Wisconsin. Dear Caroline Manning, as I'm writing this, I'm watching your YouTube videos. I just want to let you know that you're so nice, positive, kind, and very inspiring, and a great YouTuber. Love you. I watch your videos at least 2 or more times a day. They always make me smile and laugh. You're also such a great singer, and I think you will get so far with that. Thank you so much. Your dogs are so cute and also annoying. Now on Instagram, there's a girl that always DMs you. Well, that's me. I always DM you, and I'm sorry for always doing that. You're just too very nice to talk to. Oh, this is quite long, but it's okay. Thank you for using your own time to read this. You're the best. Happy New Year. One of your biggest fans, Ava. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. Y'all don't even know how much I love you guys. Last one is from Kennedy Hernandez, and she is from Virginia. We actually drove through Virginia on our spring break road trip, and I just want to visit every place in the United States. I love this color of pen. Leo, no. Leo, come on. Oh, no. Come on. No. My dog just threw up. Okay. Hey Carol, my name is Kennedy. I'm 14 and I'm from Virginia, and I'm a freshman in high school. I literally love your channel so much. You're so incredibly kind and generous. You have an amazing family, and Pepsi is literally goals. You deserve them all. Also, you deserve all of your subscribers. The Man Fam is literally the best. I agree. I always look forward to your videos. I love your vlogs and your singing videos. You have such a beautiful voice. I wish you could have gone to Colorado with Ella because I know how much that meant to you. But I'm also super sorry about your grandmother. I hope she gets through this and that she gets better. The Lord will be with you and your family. You have inspired me to make my own YouTube channel. I was really scared about it at first because of what people at school would think, but I'm super glad I posted videos. I also have a fan account for you. It's called Pepsi Squad Club. Oh my gosh, I love that account. I actually, like I was saying earlier, I literally stalk all of my fan accounts. You followed it on your second account, and I'm so grateful for that. I also reached 100 followers on that account, and I'm so excited for that. That is so sweet. Thank you, Kennedy. Without you guys, my channel wouldn't be the channel that it is today. And I'm just so grateful for every single one of you guys. Thank you so much to everybody who sent me a letter. And also thank you to SUNFLARE Jewelry Company. Literally, guys, go check them out because they're so sweet. Love this necklace. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much, and have a great rest of your day.